Owens Corning Roofing is committed to providing quality products that are easy to sell and install. One such product is our VentSure 4-foot strip ridge vent. In this video, we'll cover the process of how to properly install our ridge vent. The VentSure 4-foot strip ridge vent provides a high level of ventilation performance while offering protection from the elements. It has a unique external baffle that helps deflect wind-driven rain and debris from impacting the performance of the vent. In select regions, the 4-foot strip vent is available with Weather Protector moisture barrier that provides another layer of defense against weather infiltration. With an industry-leading 20 square inches of net-free vent area per linear foot, the 4-foot strip vent provides maximum ventilation and minimal roof penetration. One box of 4-foot vent strips provides the same amount of ventilation as 16 standard off-ridge vents, helping to add to the aesthetic appeal of your home. Before getting started, make sure you have the proper safety equipment. Failure to use proper safety equipment and footwear can result in serious injury. This video complements the written Owens Corning installation instructions for our 4-foot strip ridge vent, found at owenscorning.com/roofing. Please use the written installation instructions in conjunction with this video to ensure a correct installation. Determine the total required length of the ventilation slot according to the 1x150 rule. 1 square foot of ventilation area for each 150 square feet of attic floor. For a balanced system, no more than 50% of the required ventilation should be installed at the ridge or hips. Determine the type of roof framing that is used under the roof sheathing. For roofs with a ridge board, cut a 1 1/4 inch slot in the roof sheathing beyond each side of the ridge board. For an engineered truss roof, cut a 1 1/4 inch slot on each side of the ridge, a total slot width of 2.5 inches. An important note when cutting: start and end your cut 6 inches in from the rake edges and set your saw depth to cut the decking only. Do not cut into the roof framing. Center the vent over the opening that has been cut in the ridge, ensuring the vent sits flat on the roof. Also ensure that the alignment tabs are facing the opposite direction you will be installing the next piece of ridge vent. For cold weather installation, leave a gap no bigger than 1/8 inch to allow for expansion. Gaps larger than 1/8 inch could lead to rain and snow entering the attic. As you install the vents, ensure each vent is aligned. Then nail it in place using the nail holes marked on each vent. Using a utility knife, cut the final piece to a length long enough so that it's flush with the edge of the roof. Connect, making sure that the built-in edge caps are exposed and nail in place. For best appearance, run the vent from rake edge to rake edge. Hip and ridge shingles should be installed from rake edge to rake edge, starting at the opposite end from which the prevailing winds blow. Apply hip and ridge shingles over the ridge vent by centering the shingle over the vent. Hip and ridge shingles should be installed per the shingle manufacturer's installation instructions. VentSure 4-foot strip ridge vent comes with a limited lifetime warranty as part of the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System, giving you the assurance that all Owens Corning roofing components are working together to help enhance the performance of the roof. For more information about the VentSure 4-foot strip ridge vent and other roofing accessory products, visit owenscorning.com/roofing or call 1-800-GET